Hello everyone, hope you're well. My name's Alan, this is JA Autos Limited. I am going to give you a walk round tour today of this rather lovely Audi TT. It's a 2008 car, does have a private number plate with it. So I'll give you a walk round, show you all the ins and outs of it. Here we have our 2008 Audi TT. It's a 2 litre TFSI model, 200 brake horsepower. Comes with this private number plate, A11 MPG. So if your name's Michael Peter Gordon, that's your private number plate. Keep that number plate, or you can relate it back to its 2008 registered plate. Car's done 83,000 miles, has full service history, 12 service stamps, very well maintained car, in absolutely stunning, brilliant red. Nothing really too much to note about this car, probably other than the wheels. Some of the wheels are a little bit edgy, I suppose, for want of a better word. Other than that, we're pretty much there with this car. Front end of it is in good condition. Few sort of little stone chips on the bonnet, all been touched in, but nothing really that sort of jumps out. I'll give you a good idea of these sort of cars. Again, bumper edges are all nice. Nothing really untoward there. Like I say, some of the wheels have got, you know, the little bit of curbing. It's got these grey alloy wheels. Nothing really sort of that detrimental to a sort of car of this age. Audi stickers on the door handles. Interior is fantastic. Does come with the Alcantara and leather trim. Leather trimmed flat bottom steering wheel. Does have 2 keys. Headlamps. Electric mirrors, electric windows. It does have the all important Bose stereo. Looks in good order in there. Again, the rear is in good order. Now, if I get in the car for you, it does have a Parrot Bluetooth hands-free kits fitted. Does have air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, electric retractable spoiler, and right, we have one warning light on there. Now I've just looked at this. This is the front side light, and when I've looked where the bulb's located, it's going to take me probably an hour to fit that bulb, whereas a workshop will do it in 10 minutes. It's an absolute horrible thing to get to. So that will be done when we service it anyway. It's not something I'm going to try and do at the moment. And we've got 82,760 miles there. So that's your only warning lights. Again, like I say, that will get taken care of. Glove box is there. That's not broken. They quite often break on these. There's your microphone there. I don't know if you can see that, for your Bluetooth. So interior wise, in very good order. It does have a full set of mats, which I will get to in a minute. Again, rear wheel, bit of chipping around the outskirts. Tyres are all good, tyres are nearly new actually. If I grab the key here, that boot open. There's your boot, carpet mats. It actually has the boot liner as well, so the carpet's nice and new under there. Under there is your tool kit, and at the back is your mobility kit. That's all present and correct. Locking wheel nut is there, parcel shelf intact. Again, like I say, no sort of bumper corners are all nice. Like I say, again, a few bits around these wheels. Audi door sticker there. It's a bit of dirt. Like I say, again, front end here is all nice. Great tyre. Again, just a little bit of chipping around the wheel edges. It's nothing sort of too detrimental. Other than that, the car's in excellent condition. Just give you a pan around the windscreen. That's all free of chips. No chipping around there at all. Mirror covers are all nice. So there you have it. The images are just being uploaded onto the website. That's www.jaautos.co.uk. You can give me a call 0208 641 6455. I'll be pleased to help you. Like I say, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up because it does help. It helps sort of push the videos out to YouTube. So that would be really appreciated. If not, subscribe to our channel. Next time we upload a car, we've got some more coming in this week, so we're getting more videos on. You'll be the first to see them. So have a great day everyone, and I will speak to you all soon. Cheers, bye.